Gyms as a business model is a very thriving business today. So people from a lot of other industries are now venturing into the business of gyms because this industry delivers you returns as low as 30% to as high as 45% annualized. जब आप अपने जिम की मार्केट पोजीशनिंग को 25,000 से 45,000 एनुअल मेंबरशिप्स के बीच में पोजीशन कर रहे हैं, which forms a premium gym, वहां पे आपका एक्सपीरियंस टू योर मेंबर हैज टू बी वेरी प्रीमियम. अगर आप उस एक्सपीरियंस को डिलीवर करने के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को मैचअप करेंगे, यू हैव टू गो इन फॉर द टॉप अमेरिकन कंपनीज और इटालियन कंपनीज which will take in about 1.5 to 2.5 crores to set up a business model, but this gap is now filled with Mevin Pro. So people who have visited HRSA 2026 at San Diego, USA have been introduced to Mevin Pro. Mevin Pro is one of the most recent launched commercial gym equipment which is designed in USA, and now it is there in India and making a lot of impact to gyms who are aspiring to become premium gyms. When you're thinking to start a gym and you're wanting to position your gym in a fee bracket of plus 22,000, 25,000, 30,000, completely depending on your personal domain, your goals and your market positioning. In such a case, when your member walks into the gym, the bare minimum expectations your client will have from you as a gym owner is the standard of equipment. Now, to deliver the experience your member deserves, either you would have to invest something beyond 1.5 crores, which may take you a little long years to recover your money back, or you could go for something which is an alternate to the American and Italian equipment. In that case, Mevin Pro is the brand which fills that void for you as an investor, and also Mevin Pro is the solution which delivers that deliverance which your member expects out of investing in your gym membership, which is slightly premium from what prevails in the industry around you. अगर आप एक research करेंगे and you go as a member and travel around to a lot of gyms within your vicinity, आपको realization होगी आज भी 6 to 9 kilometers का travel करना पड़ता है अगर आप कोई international gym equipment पे train करना चाहते हैं. Gyms around you are there in a lot of density. Gyms around you are loaded with very good equipment, but अगर आप कोई international branded equipment की बात करेंगे, your member and yourself will still have to move a little away to work out on some gym which holds a very strong brand of equipment, और वो gym हमेशा premium होगा. आप अपने gym spaces में premium equipment के साथ gym को set up कर सकते हैं within the same vicinity, because उस vicinity में premium gym का अभी भी बहुत बड़ा void है, and आपकी investments भी उतनी नहीं जाएगी जितना आप otherwise American and Italian equipment में invest करेंगे. So Mevin Pro Design USA is a gym equipment line which positions your gym premium, which makes your gym impactful in the market, and which gets you audience who will relish your gym, who will treasure your gym, and who will respect your business model. अगर आपने एक premium space को develop करना है, then Mevin Pro USA is one of the solutions that you should speak at Wellness Gym Equipment to make an impact for your gym within your market. Talk to us.